You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to make social media website for colleges. We all know social media is occupying everywhere and even colleges require social media website. In this video, let us understand how do we make this web application project. So we'll learn how to create this in ASP.NET with C# language backend SQL Server. So in social media, the major things are text, you want to send the text to the users, particularly for student, and pictures. So users can upload pictures so that others can view the pictures, and also the video. So we want to show all the videos when the user upload the videos. So admin can control everything, but still you can upload videos, photos, everything here. So basically we concentrate on pictures, a video, text, messages. All this we'll learn how to upload and how to view this. So this is a strong technical project because here we can upload to the server, we can upload picture to the server and one can view this. We can upload video to the server and we can view that, and also user can send the private messages as well as the public messages. So as we move on towards 2050, so most of the things is online. There is nothing like offline, so therefore we need to learn to do the better projects. So this is a good project. If you're doing any CS course and you need to do a project, I think it's very ideal project for you. So here are the options, admin main page. So here are the admin options. So you can enter the courses, what are the courses and what are the departments in the college, and opinion poll details, you can conduct the opinion poll online so a student can participate in this. Designation for the staff members and the staff approval. When the staff sign up, we can give the approval for them. So these are the options which are provided in the admin. So if you go to staff, the staff can send the messages, they can send public messages, they can send private messages, and then they can upload the video tutorial. When you go to the student, a student can participate in the opinion poll, they can upload photos, they can upload multiple photos, they can upload video, they can send messages, so message to friends, and then they can able to view the personal details, they can view the photos, they can view the videos, they can watch public messages as well as the private messages. So these are the options which are provided for the student. Now let us run the project and check it out how the whole thing works. So here you can see that what are the videos you upload that go to video folder. This is the server folders. What are the photos you upload that will go to the photos actually. Then all the files which are uploaded, they will go to files. So here we need to learn how to upload videos, how to upload photos, and how to view the videos. That is what very important. So I'll show you how to upload videos once the demo is over. So here we can start and we can run here. So here are the tables. So this is Server Explorer. Right. So let's run this. Fine. So we can continue from here. So here is admin login. So we can log in with admin credentials. So as we discussed already, so these are the options is there. What are the courses are there in the college? We can enter all the courses and all the departments, so that we can enter here. So then opinion poll matter. So here is the matter you need to write. So is social media website is required for every college. So this is the matter, so therefore people can participate here. Common problem is date problem. So that whenever you are entering, if we get this error, date time, data type. So because earlier and all it's working fine, but now what happened, this data when you send to the server, it's not accepting. So in order to solve this, what you have to do is, you have to format it actually. So therefore you need to format this. You have to add dd/mmm/yyyy. So this is the format which is required. So we can save this. Now we can run. So it's show me the same error. So now you need to refresh this. Okay, so string data, binary data will be truncated. So now it means that, so we are entering some more data here. So what is the size we provided? So that we need to check it out. So if you go to database and tables. So here is the poll, opinion poll. If you go to definition, so what is the size is taken here? So the column size. So matter 50 is very bad actually. 50 characters, not good idea. So therefore what we can do is we can increase to 250 here. Okay, so now we have to update this. Fine, so now update is done, so we can run here. So we'll get the same error, so refresh again. So now there is a message box indicating that it's created successfully. Fine, so therefore if any error, like we should know like how to solve the error. It may be date error or it may be database error, all. Right, next is the stop approval. If there are any staff member if joins, then the list will come here. We need to give the approval. Fine, so next one is we can copy the main address. So we'll take to one more tab. So open a new tab here and then paste it here. So when you paste, you can come back to main page again. You can continue here. Now we can log in as a stop login. So here college members can log in here, stop, so principal, and then you can have a password here and then you can log in. So they can log in. So here is a stop message. They can send to the message to the stop. So whom they need to write it here. Then so here is a send public messages. Okay, so let's say next. Okay, otherwise you can give the date on 30th May we have college fest. So this message you want to send to publicly. So again date error. Okay. Fine. Now we can refresh this because we changed that into daytime. So record created successfully. So that we can able to send the public message. So you can send the private message to the particular user. For example, let's say Anu is the student. So please meet principal. So now record saved successfully. So you can upload the video tutorial and you have to make the tutorial ready and you need to upload here. So next important part is the student part. So therefore you can copy this address, open one more tab and here you can paste and then enter. So we can continue with this and then you have to go to user login, a student login. So here is the student name. So here these are the options which are provided over here. Like, so you can see the opinion poll. So whether you are agree, disagree, you can post your poll. Okay. Okay, so you can select this and then you can submit this. So your opinion will be counted. So next thing is you can upload the photo. For that you have to choose the file. Let's say you want to upload this photo. Open. Then you have to upload. Photo uploaded successfully. So you can also upload multiple photos here. Next is video upload. We can upload the videos too. So here you have to choose the video like. So then send the public message as already there in the public message that we can send. We can also send to the private messages. So here things to view it actually. So view photos. You can see that what are the photos you uploaded. You can able to view it actually. You can able to see other photos also. So when the user upload photos, we can show here. But later we can show one below one, that is possible. But at this moment you can click next to view the photos. Then view videos. So here is the videos. So you can click on the video to view the video. So when you click here, the video will be played. So next we can view the public message. So what are the messages are uploaded? So all the messages will be displayed over there here. So next is the private messages. So please print the principal, there is a private message. So that's how the whole concept works actually. So this is the idea. So therefore you need to learn like how to upload photos, videos, all these things you need to learn here. So in order to upload photos, I'll just show you like how you can write the code. you have to use the file upload control here. So this is available here, file upload. This is a control. That control you need to add, and then once you browse, so it automatically browse and then select the file. So once you selected, then you need to write the code here. So upload. So what code you have to write when you need to upload? So you need to write. So first you need to generate a new number. So this is to generate the new number. After that, if file upload one dot as file. So if there is a file, then you need to select the path. Okay, where is the server path and which folder you want to send. Then you have to set the path. Then you have to say file upload one dot save as to.dir to send to that particular folder. Then you need to insert the data to the table. So this is the file photos tab. So these are the columns, and then we have to upload to the photos tab. So you have to understand like how to upload, how to insert statement, how update works. So we have separate videos, please watch them. Then there we are explained step by step. So now to watch the video, what are the video on the screen? Here the list will come. When you click select, so this is the line of code you have to write, respond.redirect. So videos folder, and what are the videos selected. So therefore respond.direct will open the video. Simple one. You can make a little complicated also, but this is a simple way you can write the code to display the video. So you can also upload video, customer video upload. So when you are uploading, is same as like a picture upload. You have to upload as a file to the particular folder. Okay. So videos folder, now you need to upload, and then you need to insert into the video table. Insert into video tab. These are the columns, and these are the corresponding values. And here it is to generate the new number. Keep watch our channel, keep learn, keep improve yourself. Therefore you can get an experience, and also you can get a good job, because if you do the projects, multiple projects, you have a quite good experience. That experience definitely count for your job. So for keep try. If you have any doubt, let me know what doubts you are having. So in the next videos we try to cover that. Thank you.